Hey YouTube, been a while. Haven't made any videos like this in a long time. I mean, it's the only thing that seems to get my channel any kind of views for some odd reason, so I might as well continue doing it. Unfortunately, this is not a Gundam. This is a unit I designed by myself. It's called a gun unit. I'm so far creating my own video game design, and this is a first model of and basic type of what they'll look like. This is the Dreadnought, first gun unit designed with an AI interface. So artificial intelligence will endeavor and help out with this design. And as you can see, I put weapons hold placements to display as a hanger. Of course, I don't have enough crap around here to finish all that if I really wanted to make a big hanger. But let's start off with this. Cool thing with this is once in its preparation launch, you can lay it down, so you can add parts like from here. Kind of concepted off of Gundam, and since I've never showed this unit before, might as well take them off the hanger bay. I have lost, I'm still working on some new foot pads because some foot pads I had attached to this guy actually came off about some time ago, and I kind of lost it. So the arms, some people were wondering, how do I make these? Well, if you look closely, this was a part of a pin piece. I don't exactly remember what pin model and number it is, or brand company, but when I find that out, I will notify all my viewers. And from here, this is from one of my unfortunate Spartans who fell apart because it just does not, I mean, people these days, they just make this thing so cheap. It's just not even funny anymore. And so you can see it has its own hand design thanks to the Spartan pieces. Back here, I took a Transformer piece, which was a blue version. I don't remember his name, but it was like a Decepticon version of Sideswipe. You know, he's silver, but I had a blue one that my friend gave me. So you can see some Lego legs. They act as back thrusters. So if it needs forward movement, because one thing I'm just saying, I mean, making things like a giant Gundam would be almost kind of impossible. I mean, it's possible, but it'll just take so much money. You don't want someone just running into a building and, well, you just wasted so much money. It trips over a stupid car or bus or some flipping people in that matter. And so, and the cool thing, it's got a little range of motion. Elbow does bend. Hand turns, of course, thanks to the Spartan pieces. It's got its own battle claw. Head moves up and down, but does not swivel or turn because did not have the time to build one like the Gundam that I had. So, how unfortunate. Knees bend. From here. Alright, so I want to show you all of his ordnance. Set this back up. Alright, back here is his sniper rifle. I haven't gave it a name brand yet, but I was going to call it the Bolt Sniper, but I think there's already a Bolt Sniper in the game, so I can't remember. I think that might have been from Gears, so I don't want to take that and get licensing issues, so I don't want them bitching about that. So I had some other sniper rifle names from my original code book, but unfortunately I have no idea where that book was. So It'll take me some time to give up a name for this. So it's got its own scope. Of course, doesn't zoom in. I mean, it's a flipping toy. Well, not toy, model. I consider it model. And here's the cool thing. Here's an assault rifle. Unfortunately, I lost the silencer to this, so yeah, it's kind of gone. This is supposed to resemble a stock. You know, I mean, it's ammo clip. Well, and for this, I was gonna make this an ammo clip. I think I might still will because it kind of just better in the guy's arm. So let me show you an example of that. I put a little peg because this hand right here doesn't support very well. So here we go. Come on, you bastard, get your ass on there. Peekless son of a bitch. Alright, there we are. Alright. The only cool thing about this, it kind of reminds me of a gear from Heavy Gear, if anybody's played that before. I mean, I used to play it before it busted down my computer. Caused my parents to have a major freak out. And so, the cool thing, missile launchers inside. Originally, they were supposed to go on the inside, because I kind of screwed up, because as you can see, these actually came from the Roman Gundam pieces. Don't ask why I took it apart, but you know, destroy, build, destroy. If you catch my drift. Alright. Forgot to show you what the sniper rifle looks like in his hand. And I'm kind of doing this from the camera view, so if I fail a lot, yeah, I'm not very well with seeing through a camera as I'm doing this. Unfortunately, for some odd reason with my design, I wasn't very sufficient enough. It doesn't really show kind of handling the sniper rifle. I can get him in a pose like this, where it looks like he's holding it, but his arm right here kind of frays a bit, so it doesn't reach around that corner all as well as proficiently. But I could put him into that position. Only unfortunate thing, since I didn't put a good enough axle piece, you can only do a crouch shot like this. Oh, hold up. Bastard, you're trying to fall over while I'm doing a video, asshole. See? Now, I have some other ordnance this guy carries around besides the sniper rifle, and his assault rifle. And you see right here, I have a small little SMG. I do all my stuff with hot glue, so that's how I get all my stuff attached. Now, plastic piece, I don't even remember what the main stock was from. I think I got it from maybe a G.I. Joe gun. Stick, I think I got that from a kite. Yeah, a kite piece. This was just some random plastic part. A Lego gear that I used as a ammo charge. The SMG was originally designed for another model of mine, but I'm going to show that in the next video, because it was originally designed for that. Had one called the Rhino, but unfortunately I broke that before I even could make this video before that one, because the Rhino was supposed to come out first. Oh, love it. Just ignore that. And another cool thing is this arm over here to the side. Take it off. Oh, wait. I got this from I think this was a Soundwave 2007 Transformer. It was like a mini-con, kind of like Legends class, I think. Yeah, Legends class. And I am just unfortunate with Transformers, so yeah. So if this thing needs to blow a hole for its teammates, it can have it in this conversion mode. But fortunately, when it's in this conversion mode, it has to stay in a stable position, can't move, not very versatile, so it has to keep in a crouched position, otherwise it'll be discovered. This version is still the same way, but you have another arm piece to the top. And the cool thing with these two barrels, if needed, it has an overcharged burst, so if someone's coming too close, it's like a short range shotgun. So both of those bursts that usually come through these are out energized into that, so it just comes as a one burst. One. Now put his arm back on there. And as in for the back, if I could show you, this little sucker right here doesn't stay very well, but what this was here for the back of would hold like his sniper. Oh, you punk! Back here. Alright, you will usually hold sniper. Okay, as I was saying before, it keeps dropping and fumbling in my hands. Little clip there would hold his sniper rifle, but it doesn't hold the sniper very well because it's a sniper rifle. It's not very barrel like that. Now the cool thing is with this, if you take this off, leave this clip here. Now this one's another munitions launcher, so but this is a long range, so he doesn't need very much artillery fire with this. Scope comes down, hand comes up, comes down like this. I always put that shield. One reason why I kind of put that armor plating, I mean, kind of reminds me of Zaku, you know, kind of deal. I kind of like Zaku's from Gundam, so it kind of reminded me of that. I called it the Rip Cannon because it's a cannon for one short. You bastard! Stay on there for once, you a-hole. Shoot. Ooh, I better hurry up and show you some real other goodies because YouTube is such a short changer. I can't do videos over 13 minutes. So, I might as well show you this. Oh god, 48, 49. Gotta show you this. Missile launchers. Right up. Alright, since I only have a minute of technically 13 minutes left, well actually a minute because you could have a 13 missiles launcher. And I gotta just hope I get it before 30 seconds, so I pretty much showed you everything except for this other piece of artillery. I mean, damn, does this guy need much more artillery? Yes, he does. Stretch out the arm. Haven't given a name yet, but practically a punk buster, practical type of deal. I mean, what's better than having a mech with a bazooka? What's better than that? And it's got its own scope, so he can see through here. Alright, this is the last video, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.